Okay, so I went down a rabbit hole on Everbee and I found some things. One of these products made $14,656 in a single month. But here's the part I'm most excited about. I've already created one of these products for you. So you are not just watching a video with a random list of product ideas. You are watching a video where by the end, you can have a proven money-making product ready to list. I already did most of the work for you, so you don't have to. And by the way, hey, my name is Lucretia. I am a top 2% Etsy seller, and this channel is for anyone who wants to make extra money from home selling digital products on Etsy. No ads, no dancing on social media, just a simple shop that makes money while you sleep. So let's hop into product idea number 1, playing card wall art. So imagine a framed print that looks like a grid of playing cards, but instead of card designs, each one holds a photo. Couples use it for anniversaries, people give it as gifts, it's personal, it's aesthetic, and customers can edit it for free in Canva. The buyer never has to wait on shipping. Now let me show you the numbers. Everbee is estimating that this listing made $14,656 last month. And I know some of you are thinking, okay, but is that real? So let me show you the math, even with their current sale price. Right now, this seller is running a 70% off sale, so the listing is showing at $9.37. Even at that discounted price, multiply that by the 484 sales they got last month, and that is still over $4,500 in 1 month from one digital product. And that's the discounted version. At full price, that number jumps back up significantly. So whether you believe Everbee's estimate or you do the conservative math yourself, this is a product that is actively making money on Etsy. But here's the strategy most new sellers miss. Wall art is not a new idea, but playing card style photo collage wall art, that is a specific look that has its own type of buyer searching for it. You are not trying to outcompete every wall art seller on Etsy. You're just showing up for the people who want exactly this. Going broad keeps you broke. Going specific makes you sales. And here's where I want to slow down for a second, because this is actually one of the products I created for you. In the sales sprint, I created a playing card wall art template. So I didn't just say, hey, here's a money-making product idea, go struggle to make it yourself. I already created it for you. So the research is done, the template is done. You still need to make your listing photos, but the product itself, already created. And this is why my students make sales quickly, because they are starting ahead and not from scratch. So if you want to get ahead of the crowd too, the link to join us is in the description. Now I almost didn't include this next product because most beginners are going to skip it, but that's exactly why you shouldn't. Product number 2, digital book tracker. This one is proof that a little extra effort can mean a lot more money. Even though it looks super fancy, this is just a spreadsheet created in Google Sheets or Excel where readers can log every book they've read, track their progress, write reviews, and even see their library laid out like a virtual bookshelf. It looks beautiful, it's fully digital, and readers absolutely love it. Now let's look at the numbers. This listing is a bestseller on Etsy. It's had 328 sales last month, $4,979 in estimated revenue, and this listing is only 3 months old. So that's a pretty new listing finding its buyers fast. Now here's what I want to point out. Most people are going to skip this product. Spreadsheets feel complicated. They take time to learn. And that's exactly why you should pay attention. Because when fewer sellers are willing to put in that work, there's naturally less competition for you on the other side. So if you're willing to learn a more specialized skill like creating spreadsheets, you'll stand out just by showing up. And maybe you're thinking, Lucretia, I don't know how to create a spreadsheet like that, but you don't have to. I found a PLR book tracker template on Etsy for $22. PLR means you buy it one time and you have the right to edit it and resell it as your own over and over and over again. So $22 paid one time, and you're looking at a product that's making the seller nearly $5,000 a month. So you don't have to be a designer. You don't have to create anything from scratch. Someone already did the hard part. You are just putting it in front of the right buyers. This is what I mean when I say selling digital products on Etsy is one of the most beginner-friendly ways to make money from home. The product already exists. Your job is just to show up. And speaking of showing up, the next one is proof that the way you show up in your listing photos can be worth thousands of dollars a month. Product number 3, pre-colored journal pages. This one has a simple trick in it that most sellers completely overlook. This listing is a bestseller, 122 sales last month. Everbee estimates $3,742 in revenue in 3 months on the market. So this listing is only 3 months old. Now here's what I want you to notice. When you scroll through this seller's listing photos, they are not just showing you the whole bundle at once and calling it a day. They have multiple photos calling out a different page like it's a bonus. So one photo says, each month has a fun matching mood tracker. Another says, and a matching doodle of the day. But here's the trick. The mood tracker and the doodle pages are already part of the product. They didn't add anything extra. They just know how to spotlight what's already there. And that right there is the difference between features and benefits. And this matters a lot when you're writing your listing photos. A feature is what something is. Undated pages. That's a feature. A benefit is why it matters to the buyer. Can be used every year. That is a benefit. And that's what makes someone click add to cart. Most new sellers list their features and wonder why nobody's buying. The sellers making money are leading with benefits. They are making buyers feel something. So when you create your product, don't just list what's in it. Walk your buyer through what they're getting and let them know why this is going to make their life easier, better, or more fun. Make each feature feel like a surprise they didn't know they were getting. And if you need help doing this, go to phase 3 of the sales sprint. That is where I walk you through how to make scroll-stopping listing photos. Now, this next product is one that people think is too crowded to enter, and I'm about to show you why they're wrong. Product number 4, wedding website templates. And let me clear something up. The wedding niche is not oversaturated. It just looks that way from the outside. Yes, there are a lot of wedding sellers, but most of them are selling the same things. Invitations, table numbers, seating charts. The buyers who are planning weddings in 2026 need more than that. They want a full online presence for their wedding day. And most sellers haven't caught up to that yet. This wedding website template has 4 fully designed pages. They're all created in Canva, and the couple customizes it themselves. So their names, their photos, their love story, their RSVP form, all of it can be done in an afternoon. 135 sales last month. Everbee estimates $3,467 in revenue, bestseller badge, and the listing is only 3 months old. And here's what this seller did that most people wouldn't think to do. They made their product feel like it came with a whole team behind it. A free 14-page instruction guide, a matching banner template, a DIY RSVP form. They aren't just throwing random stuff in the listing hoping to make a sale. They make the buyer feel like they're getting a premium product at a digital download price. And they added items that will make their product easier to use, which is what I tell you to do in my product upgrade method. You can get more information about that in this video right here. The wedding buyer is already spending thousands on their big day. When your product looks polished and complete, the $23 price tag feels like the easiest decision they've made this entire time. So you are not competing with every wedding seller on Etsy. You're just showing up with something they actually need right now and making it look like a VIP experience. And the next product is going to show you how to create that same VIP feeling in a niche with some of the most loyal repeat buyers on Etsy. Product number 5, Bible study guide. And this one is for anyone who thinks they need to create something brand new to make sales on Etsy. This is a printable Bible study guide. 120 pages covering the Old and New Testament. 2 pages per book of the Bible, chapter summaries, key verses, main themes, space for notes. It's beautiful, it's thorough, And it has 1,871 people who favorited it, which is not a small number. That means people are saving it, coming back to it, and possibly sharing it with some of their friends. It had 127 sales last month. Everbee estimates $3,222 in revenue. It has the bestseller badge, and it's only 5 months old. Now, here's why I want to challenge you. Because this listing is already doing well, but I see an even bigger opportunity that most sellers are walking right past. This product tries to cover the entire Bible in 120 pages, 2 pages per book, which is impressive, but it also means that every book gets a surface level look. But what if you went deeper? Instead of one product covering every book, what if you made a Genesis Bible study guide? Just a deep dive into the book of Genesis with chapter summaries, key verses, main themes, discussion questions, and space for notes. Then you make an Exodus Bible study guide, then Leviticus, then Numbers, and so forth. And before you say, I don't know how to pull all that together, this is where AI becomes your best friend. Tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini can help you outline every chapter, pull out key themes, write discussion questions, and format the whole thing so you're not staring at a blank page wondering where to start. You tell it what book of the Bible you want to cover, and it will give you a solid starting point in minutes. Of course, you should always verify the data, but all you have to do is clean it up, design it in Canva, and list it. Now, you don't just have one product. You have an entire shop. And then you'll have a mega bundle you can list in your shop with every book of the Bible. This is exactly the kind of simple strategies that gets my students making sales fast. Not complicated, not expensive, just thinking a little differently about what you already have in front of you. And if you want more of this, real strategies, real products, and done-for-you templates so you can skip the guesswork, that's exactly what's waiting for you inside the Sales Sprint. Over 1,900 people have already joined us, and I'd love to see you in there too. But once you pick your product, the next question people run into is, okay, I listed it, so why is nobody seeing it? Getting views is its own game. And I made a whole video breaking down exactly how to get more views with a brand new Etsy shop. So click the video on your screen and I'll see you over there.